Hey folks, it's the Our Shawn. Welcome back to the McBride Attorney Law Show. I'm here by the Our Shawn McBride Law Firm. I'm an attorney licensed in 12 states and DC, and we're jumping into offering exemptions. We've been doing a series of videos here on the McBride Attorney Law Show on YouTube. You can subscribe and ring the bell to check out the others. We're going to jump into another exemption that's available. We talk about exemptions as being a toolkit, ones that are available if you don't want to register, if you want to be exempt. And we did a video talking about the difference. We want to figure out which tools are available, which ones might be right for you. You got to look at the whole span of tools, just like looking at a car, buy the right car for you, for your situation. Just a quick reminder, I am an attorney. I am not your attorney by virtue of doing this video. I'm just providing this for general education. Everything here needs to be verified, and consult your own counsel. Somebody that knows your situation can help tailor this stuff. But we do want to get you a general idea of the exemptions, save you some time, some effort, help you pick the right one. So let's jump into a little bit about what a Reg A offering might be. So Reg A has been around for a while, wasn't particularly popular. After the Jobs Act, Reg A was revised and became what a lot of people call Reg A Plus. It was expanded. Now we see two tiers in Reg A Tier 1 and a Tier 2. The main difference is the state requirements. A Tier 1, which is up to $20 million in a 12-month period, does need to be filed with potentially in the states that you're doing the offering in. Tier 2, $50 million preempts the state. So very attractive from the option of you only have to do SEC compliance. Both of them require a filing with the SEC and some reporting requirements. So we want to make sure we understand the depth of that. You can check that out. I'm looking at the SEC website. There's a nice table of exemptions, and I'm looking at the Reg A Plus here part to remind myself of these things and simplify things. So you're going to have to file a Form 1A with the SEC, 2 years of financial statements, and then for the Tier 2, you will also have some additional reporting requirements. General solicitations are generally permitted, which is great. You can allow people to understand what you're doing. It can be U.S. or Canadian issuers. The Tier 2, the larger one that allows up to $50 million, does allow some non-accredited investors to come into the deal, but there are investment limitations. And the big difference between the two is whether you have to comply with the state. So for a smaller deal, less paperwork to do Tier 1, but you may have to do some work in the state that you're offering in. This might be attractive if you're offering in a single state, but you can raise up to $20 million. That's a lot more than what you can raise under Reg CF with the crowdfunding. And maybe attractive vis-a-vis the 506. We certainly see some people that are using Reg A Plus versus the 506. Now, on the other hand, the Tier 2 preempts the state. Very attractive. In fact, you don't have to comply with the state, but you do have more reporting requirements, especially ongoing. So you want to weigh these two. Again, it's a toolkit. The Reg A Plus, Tier 1, Tier 2, they're your tools. And here's what should be happening as we've gone through all these exemptions in various videos here on the McBride Attorney's Law Show, is you want to make sure that you're looking at the whole list of things that are available to you and picking the one that's right for you and your situation, and pick the right one out and use it. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Think of exemptions as a toolkit. You pick the one that's right for you, that fits your situation, you use it. And then the next time you have an offering need, you go back to the toolkit, pick the right one. Good counsel, good lawyer on your team should be able to help you pick the right exemption, make sure you're getting in the right place. Go back to the McBride Attorney's Law Show on YouTube. Again, subscribe, ring the bell. But what you'll find there is a variety of coverage of all these different options. You can help pick the one that's right for you. All right, folks, the Our Shawn, good chatting with you. Hopefully check out some other videos. Looking forward to bringing you more stuff on the McBride Attorney's Law Show. Let us know what you need. Comment on the YouTube video. I do read the comments. Look forward to hearing from you, both on what you're thinking about exemptions, but also what additional topics you might need covered in the future. All right, folks, catch you soon.